Topic 1. Centrifugal separator. A typical centrifugal separator consists of bowl, motor, clutch, worm and worm wheel, spindle. The bowl, which rotates at thousands of revolutions per minute. Separation takes place inside. The motor, a motor that drives the bowl. The clutch, friction clutch for transferring the power of the motor to the gearbox. The worm and worm wheel, a worm and worm wheel gearbox designed for speed increase. The spindle, bowl spindle. Topic 2. Separator cross-section. This is a cross-section of a separator bowl. Click on the marked parts to get more information. Bowl hood. The bowl hood is the upper part of the separator bowl. Distributor. The distributor leads the feed towards the bottom of the bowl and into the disc stack situated above the distributor. Lock ring. The lock ring holds the bowl hood to the bowl body. Disc stack. The disc stack is where separation takes place. The space between the discs is determined by the thickness of the caulks attached to the upper side of each disc. Bowl body. The bowl body is the lower part of the separator bowl. Topic 3. Separation principles. Centrifugal separation takes place mainly according to two basic principles. Clarification, purification. The clarifier. The clarifier is removing solids from a liquid such as oil. The clarifier. Let's look closer at the space between the disc where the solids are removed from the liquid. The clarifier. Friction forces. Closer to the discs, the flow rate is less due to the friction. Centrifugal force has a greater effect on solids in this location. The solids slide outwards on the disc. A steep, sloping disc increases the separation effect, but also increases friction, slowing down the solids. This can lead to solids stopping and blocking the disc stack. The purifier. Introduction. The purifier is separating two liquids with or without solids from each other. Its main purpose is to clean the oil, which is the greater part of the mixture. The purifier. Cross-section. This is the cross-section of a purifier bowl. These discs have holes in them to lead the feed into the disc stack. This improves separation of the two liquids from each other. We will now give you some exercises in this subject. The purifier. The gravity disc. The interface is adjusted by using gravity discs of different sizes in the heavy phase outlet. The illustrations show 3 different gravity discs. Click the gravity discs and notice how the position of the interface changes. The purifier. The gravity disc. Click the gravity disc that will give the best position of the interface for cleaning the oil as well as possible. Topic 4. Types of separators for marine and power applications. Solid bowl separators. Solid bowl separators equipped with conical discs, given the designation MMB plus MAB, are suitable when the solids content of the feed is approximately 0.1% by volume. Solid ejecting separators. Solid ejecting separators, given the designation PX, are suitable when the solids content of the feed is up to approximately 10% by volume. Topic 5. Solid bowl separators. Solid bowl separators are given the designation MAB or MMB. We will now give you some exercises in this subject. Topics. Discharge ports. Solid ejecting separators have a number of discharge ports in the bowl body. Partial discharge. Click on the Start button to see the principle of the partial discharge. Start. Partial discharge. You have now seen what happens during a partial discharge. It is mainly the solids that leave the bowl through the solid ports during a partial discharge. The feed of processed liquid to the separator need not be turned off. The discharge function. The opening and closing of the bowl is achieved by means of the operating water system. The discharge function. The opening and closing of the bowl is achieved by means of the operating water system. The discharge function. The opening and closing of the bowl is achieved by means of the operating water system. The discharge function. The opening and closing of the bowl is achieved by means of the operating water system. The discharge function. The opening and closing of the bowl is achieved by means of the operating water system. The discharge function. The opening and closing of the bowl is achieved by means of the operating water system. The discharge function. The opening and closing of the bowl is achieved by means of the operating water system. The discharge function. The opening and closing of the bowl is achieved by means of the operating water system. The discharge function. The opening and closing of the bowl is achieved by means of the operating water system. The discharge function. The opening and closing of the bowl is achieved by means of the operating water system. The di